Manimampula titiakan ti ciwuranganakan la cara rivacananya uma au secukuvulakan. Hai jawa-jawa mampulat. Mali-mali.
Ulang grew up in an indigenous community and still talks with his family in Paiwan language now. He lived in Germany for more than 10 years, but he thinks his mother language is better than his Mandarin. He is grateful for many who helped him during his music study, like his German missionary godmother who financially supported him to go abroad. Ulang's music journey seems to have been smooth, but he didn't start his classical music education until going to the theological college when he was 18. His incredible passion for classical and religious music had driven him to practice incessantly.
Even I cannot understand that kind of obsession. When I was at the Yushan Theological College, I would practice piano half naked with only a pair of shorts because I had to close all the window in order to not let the music be heard. And that was really hot in the room.
不长，不长。我可以看一下吗？不长啊。
Ulang shows his delicate fingers of proper length and jokingly says that they were not very helpful for playing the piano. He has stopped playing for many years. In his first year at the University of Munich, he majored in piano. However, when he saw the numerous good pianists in Germany, he thought it was time for him to change his path and then instead choose to be a conductor who controls everything on stage.
I'm good at being bossy. I like to dominate others. I feel like I have to release the energy, and of course I love music. So naturally, I love to be a conductor.
More than a decade has passed since Ulang started to learn conducting. He graduated from the University of Bayreuth and had served concurrently as the conductor of many other music groups. He has visited European countries like the UK, France, Norway, Sweden, and Austria. Prayer and passion for classical music have been his greatest support during his rich music journey. Born in a poor family, Ulang was expected to become a clergyman, but his love of music has brought him an even richer life. TITV Weekly.